Hello everyone. So welcome to one more video on the definition where we are going to read two strings. One is the whole string, the second is the substring, and the third thing we would read is the character position from which we want to insert the substring into the whole string. Now in this video we're going to look at the solution using the slice method of the string object. So in the previous video, we had created these three controls, txt1 to store the whole string, txt2 to store the substring, and txt3 we had used into read the position. But this time, I'm going to read a number which says after which character do you want to insert the substring into the whole string. So I have fetched the value of text box 1 in A, which is the whole string. The substring is fetched in B, and the integer value indicating the character after which we want to do the insertion of the substring is fetched and converted aptly into an integer before it is stored in C. Now at this point we are making an assumption that whatever values user is entering is correct. So correct integer is entered and non-empty strings are entered so that we don't have to do the validation. So let us focus directly on the slice. So we need to create another variable which is going to store in our final string. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to extract the characters before the mentioned position. So I am going to extract the character. So let str, the final string, be equal to a.slice. Now slice has two versions. The one with a single value indicates from that position till the end. Whereas if you provide two positions, then the first indicates a starting position and second indicates the number of characters from the starting position. So I'm going to use that, and I'm saying 0 to up to the character C. So extract that substring. Now once that substring is extracted from A, you concatenate it with the substring. So now I'm putting in the substring, so concatenation, and thereafter I am again going to use in the slice operator on the original string A and from the C character. So from 0 I extracted the C characters, and then from the Cth character I'm extracting whatever is there. So this will create two sections of the string. The first section and the remaining section, and in between I'm concatenating the string. So if we go ahead and print in this, we should get correct output. Let us try. I would be repeating the same example we did yesterday, and let us say now this time after which character. So after the 8th character, so I'm going to put in the 8th character and let's see. So I'm getting the output correctly. Now if I put in 0, I'm still getting it correctly. And if I put in a number which is like the last character position or greater than it, then the great string should come after the entire string. So my code is working perfect. Now, had you written instead of C, had you written like -1, that means the position like this, then your string would actually not come correctly. As in, I'll show you what happens. So when you try to okay, so I'm going to put in okay, so if I put in the character 9, it works fine. If I put in a larger number than the length of the string, it actually works fine. But if I put in a 0, it doesn't work fine because 0 minus 1 is -1. So it actually takes you to the reverse of the string. And from the last character, it goes one character back and then it inserts. So this is the problem. So if you're going to work with this, it won't work. So instead of fetching the position, I am asking after which character you want to insert the string. So that resolves the situation. Now, if you wanted still this thing to work, you just need to add in a condition which says C is not equal to 0. And then else you can go ahead and put the the substring before the string, join it and show the answer. So that is the solution to this, but I would rather prefer using the C. So after which character, the eighth character, that is from the ninth character, I want to do the insertion. So this works just to fine. Go ahead and try this, and in the next one we'll come up with another definition.